Welcome to Pro Tool Reviews. What we have here today is Ryobi's FLV58K, which is a magnetic base with a light. So you might be wondering, why would I need one of these? And that's a good question. So I already went ahead and opened the package just because there wasn't much to open. It makes it a little easier. And let's go ahead and set this up. What came in the package was battery, charging cable, and on the battery is a little charging port so you can plug this guy into your USB computer, charging head, whatever. Plug that into your battery, and there you go. You can charge up your battery. With the battery, you get 28 hours of runtime. That's a considerable amount of time with the fact that this thing has 450 lumens of light. I'll show you. So I'm going to go ahead and install the battery. Little battery compartment here on the side. Take the lid off, the cover off. Make sure you insert the battery correctly. Put the cover back on, and we should be in business. Oh, there it is. So there it is. So we got two modes. So with a little click of the button, there's a little on-off button on the top of this. There's high, so it's pretty bright. And then kind of a little bit lower. I'm assuming the high mode is the 450 lumens. So when I first saw this, I was like, what do I really need this for? A lighted magnetic tray. And then it hit me. It's not for my workshop. It's for when I'm working on my car. So look at this. This guy is magnetic. I can stick it on something magnetic, and the tray is magnetic. So as you can see, the magnetic tray that's inside of here also is magnetic and will hold screws, bits, whatever you might be having to work on for the moment. I know when I'm doing mechanic work and I first get into a project, I have a magnetic tray, but it doesn't have a light. This brings some new versatility to that, in that now I can stick my tray where I'm working on my car maybe. It's going to attach itself to my car so it won't fall off, and then as I take the screws off and bolts, I can put them in there and I'm not going to lose them. I found it to be super handy to do that. And the fact that I can have a light attached to it, that's actually pretty handy. So, you know, I think there is some good versatility here. The other cool thing is that this is compatible with the Ryobi Link system, so that on the back side of this, if you have the wall mount or any of their other devices that go with that system, you can go ahead and click this on and it'll lock in place and give you a place to store your fasteners and bits and things like that. And also, obviously, the added usage of the light. This goes for about 50 bucks at Home Depot. It's brand new. Should be seeing those in the stores shortly. If you have any questions on this or thoughts about it, we'd love to hear them. Leave a comment below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you get the latest and greatest tool news from us. As always, thanks for watching.